fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? Yeah. Yeah, it's my turn. What the fuck was that? What the fuck was that? Back up. Now I'm spiking the ball. Now I'm spiking the ball. No, it's my turn. What? I'm done. No. After this one, because it's going so quickly. Bro, you cheated, bro. Stop. Stop. What in the fucking blue lock and sucking? What is happening to me? I don't want to play this shit no more, bro. I don't want to play this shit no more, bro. It's getting me mad. It's getting me mad. How did Steve miss? Nah, you cheating, bro. Let me stand up. Let me stand up. Stop hitting me! Stop. Why am I getting juggled? Arandios, it's your turn, bro. Arandios, it's your turn, bro. I'm not playing this shit no more. Bro, we got Tekken ball. We got Tekken ball back, but we didn't get Tekken bowling back. Why is that doing so much damage? Yeah, hit his ass. Hit his ass again. Do it again, Arandios. Nah, he cheating now. He cheating. That's what I be hearing. What you mean, Jinx? What you mean by that, bro? Also, are you home? You down to play, bro? Why did that do so much damage? Oh, nah. Kang is cheating, bro. Kang is cheating, bro. Kang is cheating, bro. Nah, we done. The no cream line from Azu, yeah. What even was that? Kang is cheating, bro. What? I'm done. No.